Welcome to TuringMedSchool's OSCE workbench. In this guided tutorial, I'll show you exactly how to use the platform, step by step, so you can start practicing confidently from day one. Once you log in, you'll land on the home page. From here, click on OSCE workbench, then click on Practice Now. This is your main dashboard. Now, go to the Brain Bank. Here, you can browse different topics and select any case you want to practice. Once you've selected a case, click on Review the case. Let's understand the case. Click on Case Overview. Here, you can start by watching the quick 1-minute consultation guide video in the start. This helps you understand exactly how to approach the case in just 1 minute. Under that, you'll find all the essential information about the scenario. From approach, covering data gathering, management and interpersonal skills. If you want a deeper understanding, you can explore the tabs with details of Doctor Instruction. This contains the candidate information, outlining the tasks to be completed in the station, along with any relevant findings provided. Next, the simulator and the examiner information, which your partner can use to take on the role as patient. Thereafter, the examiner checklist, where you can see all the important points needed for data gathering, management and interpersonal skills that is required for the case. Each of these helps you understand the case from different perspectives. Finally, we have the Consultation Guide tab. It guides you step by step, every 30 seconds your consultation time. So you always know what to do during the consultation. The idea is simple. Understand the case quickly, then move straight into practice. You can start practicing in 2 ways. First, you can directly switch to practice mode for this case. Or, you can go back to the dashboard and choose a random case. You can either select a specific topic or click on any topic to get a completely random case. Let's start with Practice with Partner. Click on Practice with Partner. Here, you can copy the link to share with your partner, or click on Share Link to share it with your partner, for example, on WhatsApp. Once they open it, both of you can practice the case together seamlessly. You can also start a video call directly within the platform. The case begins when you click on Begin Reading Time with 1 minute and 30 seconds, where the candidate can read the case details while the simulator prepares their role. After reading time ends, you enter the room. During the consultation, you can always open the Candidate Info tab, so you know what needs to be done at every step. You can also use the video call features. Turn your camera on or off. Mute yourself. Raise hand in between the case to make a point. Comment during the case through text. Or use screen sharing. Screen sharing helps your partner understand at which phase of the consultation you're in. Now, an important feature, findings. When you perform examinations or request investigations, you can click on Findings. This reveals the relevant clinical results, just like in a real exam. Also, you can click on Consultation Guide. If you get stuck in between the case, you can refer to it, as it will guide you step by step throughout the case. Meanwhile, your partner, acting as the examiner, can perform these actions. Mark checklist points. Add any additional comments. At the end of the session, the simulator can submit the score or adjust the score based on their evaluation. Once submitted, your performance is automatically saved. To view your performance, click on Performance button on your OSCE workbench. Then click Refresh. Here, you'll see your results based on date and time. Click on the date you practiced on. You can clearly see what you covered, what you partially covered, and what you missed across 3 domains: data gathering, management, and interpersonal skills. What if you have no partner? No problem. You can practice the same case with AI. Click the back button to return to practice mode, where you can also choose to practice the selected case with AI. Or if you want to practice any random case with AI, you can go back to the dashboard. and choose a random case. You can either select a specific topic or click on any topic to get a completely random case. Click on Practice with AI. Before starting, you can also quickly go through the 1-minute consultation guide again. Then begin your session. You'll again get 1 minute and 30 seconds of reading time, after which you enter the room. While practicing with AI, you can either type or speak. But here's something very important. Every time you want to speak, you must click the microphone button. After speaking, click again to send your response. If you don't click, the AI will not respond. You can view the candidate information at all times during the case. You can also click on Findings to reveal investigation results. Click on Pause to stop the timer temporarily. Click on Restart to begin again. If you get stuck in between the case, you can take the help of the consultation guide. It can guide you step by step throughout the case. You can also click on End Case if you finish early. Once you complete the session, click on Get AI Evaluation to receive a detailed AI-generated assessment of your performance. Again, your performance is recorded automatically. You can see what you covered, partially covered, and missed across data gathering, management, and interpersonal skills. You can also check for your qualitative feedback. Now, head back to the dashboard. Scroll down and set your exam date. This helps you track your preparation timeline. You can also track your overall performance across domains like data gathering, management, and interpersonal skills, and also track your overall progress here for how many cases, topics, categories, and subcategories you have covered. Now go to the Progress section. Here you can track how often you practice using the heat map, your performance over time through interactive graph, by seeing scores across data gathering, management, and interpersonal skills individually or combined in the time frame of 7 days, 28 days, and overall timeline. This helps you understand how you're improving day by day. If you want deeper insights, go back to the Brain Bank. Here, you can track performance by topic, category, subcategory, and even analyze individual cases by clicking on Review the Case. That's it. You're now ready to start practicing with confidence. Explore the platform, stay consistent, and make the most of your PLAB 2 preparation.